What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? So, our current hotel room is not as glamorous as the first one was. This one is very tiny, and my bed is a mess. Jared just spent the last 30 minutes cleaning his.
Like 2 seconds.
30 minutes.
2 seconds.
And I would show you the bathroom, but...
There's no stand. Go ahead.
Are you sure?
Okay. I'll go.
Oh.
It's not much of a
It's a
bathroom,
pole,
though.
not a push.
It's a toilet and tub. This is in living conditions.
But, as you know, when you travel, you don't stay in the hotel room, you go and visit places like this. Okay, I'll be up here.
That's fine. I'll come back for you.
I need you to get a picture of me. I've been waiting for an epic backdrop and this castle will do it. You can do it with yours. Why can't you do it with yours? Ready? Wait, hold on.
That's pretty cool. We should go stand on there.
Tell me when to stop.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Much better.
We're about to take the
Currently at 53%.
Oh?
No. The GoPro.
Oh. You doing time lapse or just kind of shooting?
Just constant video. Actually, speaking of which. Welcome to the late night show with Fox.
Oh, there it is.
No, I'm kidding. It's actually the next day, hence why I'm wearing different clothes. So, yesterday we went to Hiroshima Castle. It was built in the 1590s. It's pretty nice looking, actually, really nice looking, what was left of it. I'd say almost all of it got destroyed when the A-bomb was dropped in 1945.
Documenting the history of the castle.
We did get to go up this tower that had a lot of history behind the castle and everything, but we weren't able to record while we were in there. When we got to the top, though, we were able to take a nice panoramic picture that people kept pushing us to the side so they could take panoramic pictures. Also, while we were there, I decided to wander off and take pictures, follow birds, and take pictures of buildings. And Jared decided to pretend he went somewhere else and then actually secretly stalk me, which you can see those pictures on Instagram if you want.
And pretend to go somewhere else. I could go somewhere else. It just didn't take me very long.
Either way, he stalked me for a good 15 minutes or so while I was taking pictures. This is there. So there was a huge line to get into the main part of the castle, but I ain't about that life, so we had skipped that. And I'm guessing it had something to do with New Year's. After that, we went and got food at this ramen shop where it had pretty good ramen, but the best rice you'll ever have in your life. Which surprised me because we went to a ramen shop and we had ramen and it was good, but the rice was significantly better than any rice I've ever had previously before.
Freshly cooked.
It was freshly cooked, yeah, but the Hiroshima Peace Memorial. It's basically the one building they left after the A-bomb was dropped. Eerie seeing that place, kind of imagining what happened when it went off. It was also weird to see all these people, Japanese and foreigners alike, just taking selfies and all kinds of, like, posing in front of the building and everything, trying to show off. Across the water from the Hiroshima Peace Memorial, was a bell that was placed there by Japan for people to ring saying that they kind of hope that the world will dismantle A-bombs. Will that happen? Probably not. But it's a nice gesture nonetheless. At this point I was really starting to not feel well. So we were going to go to the mountains to take pictures of shrines and just get some panoramic shots, but I really was not feeling well. So we just headed back to the hotel. I tried to sleep, didn't work out. Got some drugs off of a street vendor. No, I'm kidding. Went to a pharmacy, got some medicine to make myself feel better. Worked pretty well. My muscles were aching and everything, and it helped. Still don't feel my top today, but hey, it's getting me.
That's the name of the restaurant.
Let me guess, it's not in English. So, anyways, the medicine is basically helping me get through the.
I didn't do it that time.
You close it.
I didn't do it. I just backed up a page and just.
The medicine's helping me get through the day, so I'm still not feeling at my top. So, but anyways, for today we're taking a bullet train to Kobe, where I'm going to try expensive Kobe beef. I will be making a video of it, but that will be in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Later. I told you it wasn't in English.
Horizon.